Hi, I'm Margaret Jacko, owner of Flower Me Events. We're located in Westchester, New York. We're floral consultants who service events only and make house calls. I'm going to show you how to store your wedding flowers yourself at home. So the first thing you want to do, as always, is make sure to keep your flowers fully hydrated. So I have a wedding bouquet here in a vase. It doesn't have to be a vase that looks like this for this purpose, but make sure the flowers are getting proper hydration. You want to make sure all the stems are sucking up the water and none are above the water line. You want to also make sure that you're putting flower food in your solution. So the first thing I want to tell you is that when you're storing your flowers at home, there's a couple of things you need to consider. Now, your refrigerator temperature is actually fine for most flowers. It's around 38°F. Now, that's okay, but a couple of things are not okay. For instance, if you have fruit and veggies in the refrigerator, make sure to take them out a couple of days in advance before you're going to put any flowers in there. This is beyond wedding flowers, any kind of flowers, because the fruits and veggies form ethylene gas, which is toxic to flowers. So give it a few days, clear out the fridge. The second thing is, while the refrigerator is at an okay temperature for the flowers, it's not at an okay humidity. So what we're going to actually do is, if you have a squirt bottle, that would be great. If not, you can actually just kind of take some water and sprinkle it all over your flowers. You want to do this kind of thoroughly. After you feel like you've done a good job getting water kind of everywhere, you're going to take a plastic bag. And you're going to, not airtight, but ever so tightly, you can actually tuck it into the vase, lift up the bouquet, and tuck the bag into the back of the vase, but not airtight. So you want some air circulating a little bit. Okay, so now what this does is it creates a humid environment. Kind of like if you ever watch the movies and the person's stranded on a desert island and they take some, pieces of greenery and they put a plastic bag on top. This process of condensation is kind of what they're looking for. We're not looking far from that. So we're just creating this humid environment that's going to perpetuate this moisture. So that's the setup for the storage. Now, now you've taken care of a couple of things. You have the right temperature, you've created a humid environment, and you have no ethylene gas, which would be toxic. But there's just one thing. You know that corner of your fridge where everything freezes and you get mad? Don't put it in that corner. So if you follow this, your flowers should be okay. Thanks for checking my video out. I hope it helped. Don't forget to check us out on flowermeevents.com. And remember, we're not your mother's florist.